Erupting with fun, Darren rolled over in bed, squinting against the light shining in his eyes. Mom, what are you doing? It's Sunday. Let me sleep. This room is a mess, Mom said, pulling a paper out from under a dirty plate of half eaten chicken wings. What's this? Darren gulped. He'd forgotten all about his science project. This says you have a project due tomorrow, Mom said. Darren kicked the covers off and jumped out of bed. I totally forgot. Could you write me a note? I'm supposed to go to the new skate park with Kevin today. Mom shook her head. No way. You're staying right here and working on your project. I don't even know what to do for it. How am I supposed to make a project in one day? You should have thought about that sooner. This paper says you had 2 weeks to complete the project. Darren lowered his head. I'll call Kevin. Then meet me in the kitchen. I have an idea for a project. Darren called Kevin and told him the bad news. When he met his mom in the kitchen, she had food coloring, baking soda, vinegar, and dish detergent on the table. It's not a baking project, Darren said. You're making a volcano. Mom handed him a paper. I printed the instructions for you off on Easy Science Project website. You'll need a small mound of dirt, so take this plastic container and get some from the garden. A volcano? That almost sounded fun. Darren shrugged and got some dirt from the garden. As he carried it back inside, he looked at the instructions. He'd have to mold the dirt to look like a volcano. The other ingredients his mom had gathered were for the solution that would erupt from the center of it if it looked easy enough. Maybe he'd be able to meet Kevin at the skate park after all. Here, Mom handed Darren a small cylinder container. You need to put this in the center of the volcano. Make sure you don't get any dirt in it. Darren took the container and carefully molded the dirt around it. He checked his instructions. Next, he had to add 2 spoonfuls of baking soda, a spoonful of dish detergent, and a few drops of red food coloring to the container. Now for the fun part, Mom said. When you add the vinegar, the volcano will erupt, so get ready. Darren smiled, excited to see the eruption. He measured an ounce of vinegar and poured it into the container. The mixture bubbled over the top of the volcano. Awesome, Darren said. This was actually fun. Yeah, science can be very fun, Mom said. Well, I guess you can call Kevin and meet him at the skate park. In a bit, I want to try this again. Erupting with Fun. Question 1. What is the setting of this story? A. At Darren's house on a Sunday evening. B. At Darren's house on a Sunday morning. C. At Kevin's house on the weekend. D. At the school science fair on Sunday. Question 2. How did Darren's mother find out about the science project? A. She read it in his school notebook 2 weeks ago. B. Kevin mentioned it. C. Darren's teacher told her about it. D. She found a scrap of paper in Darren's messy room. Question 3. Which word best describes Darren? Conscientious, a procrastinator, diligent, enthusiastic. Explain why you chose the word you circled above. Question 4. What supplies and ingredients did Darren use to make the volcano? Question 5. Darren's mother printed instructions for making a volcano from a website. Which choice below tells what she may have typed into the computer when she was searching for ideas? A. Fun crafts for kids. B. Interesting science facts. C. Simple science activities. D. Projects for Darren.